I want to take the opportunity to thank again all speakers. This was the ELLIS Health workshop on explainable machine learning and biological mechanisms. I kept notes while going through the different talks. I will not go through them in any detail now, but if you want to, you missed part of the workshop, we will post the recording online. And you can also read up here, take a screenshot, read up on these points. I want to conclude not only by thanking all speakers and all attendees, but also by giving you kind of a few pointers here to ELLIS. So you can follow ELLIS on Twitter. There's the website, and Oliver and I would certainly be happy to answer questions, and we will share the recording via our Twitter account. So if you're interested, you're very welcome to also pass this on to your colleagues. With that, I would like to conclude and wish you happy holidays. Oliver, you have any final remarks?
Nothing to add. Thank you all for joining. It's really great to see all the turnout and see you all in the new year. We will continue this roughly once a month. And so, yeah, see you all soon.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.